discuss such a beautiful topic in mathematics. Okay, that is nothing but trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Yeah, just I am going to write trigonometry. Our topic is yes, viewers here. Now, such a beautiful topic today we are going to discuss trigonometry. Yeah, see, trigonometry is nothing but combination of three Greek letters, which means trigonometry derived from three Greek letters, which are Rho, Gonia, and Metron. Rio, Gonia, and Metron. Trigonometry can be derived from three Greek letters, which are Rio, Gonia, Metron, which means Rio means three, Gonia means angle, Metron means measurement. So, here we have to see very easily. Simply, we can say that trigonometry is nothing but three angle measurement is called trigonometry. Trigonometry is a main branch in mathematics which deals the study of relationship between sides and angles of a right angle triangle. The trigonometry topic was used several branches, main astronomical branches and engineering department also. So today we are going to discuss briefly about trigonometry. For example, see, you draw a one acute angle, one acute angle, draw a one acute angle. Yeah, acute means below 90 degrees and it is called acute angle. You draw an acute angle with respect to theta. The name of the acute angle is AOB. Right? Draw an acute angle with respect to theta. The name of the acute angle is called AOB. Take any point on OA. Take any point P on OA. Draw a perpendicular line on OB. Draw a perpendicular line AB, that is called PQ. Okay. Take any acute angle. Now take any point on OA. Draw a perpendicular line on B and OB. Draw a perpendicular line on OB. We should get now. Right angle triangle with bases OQ. Bases OQ. Altitude is PQ and hypotenuse is OP, as you know very well. Yes, trigonometry is nothing but combination of three Greek letters, trigonometry, which means three angle measurement is called. Simply we can say that trigonometry. Now we have to take any an acute angle. AOB is an acute angle. Take any point on AB. Take a point P on OA. Draw a perpendicular line on OB. We should get PQO is a right angle triangle. We should get PQ a right angle triangle with respect theta. Theta is a one parameter in the chapter. So with respect to theta, dear children, dear viewers, you have to observe. Today we are going to discuss how to naming the trigonometric ratios. Before that, we should know what is the particular names of right angle triangle. Hipparchus is the he was the developer of this chapter. Hipparchus only developed this topic in branch of mathematics. Okay, that is the reason I am saying to thus trigonometry deals with the study of relationship between sides and angles of a right angle triangle. This is also one beautiful definition of given by Hipparchus about trigonometry. First, we are going to discuss one beautiful topic today, very important topic, naming the sides of right. Naming the sides of right. And as well as we have to know the trigonometric ratios. How to find the trigonometric ratios with the help of right angle triangle? Here, so as you see, yeah, naming the sides of the right angle triangle with respect to theta. With respect to theta, one triangle only is having three different names of a triangle. That kind of triangle is also called as right angle triangle. This is the right angle symbol, perpendicular line. Here, with respect to theta, quite opposite side of theta, quite opposite of theta side is called opposite side. Quite opposite of 90 degrees side is called hypotenuse. Now, this is called adjacent side, remaining side. With respect to theta, we are going to naming the sides of a right angle triangle. Rank means right angle triangle. With respect to theta, a perpendicular side, a perpendicular side, a perpendicular side quite opposite of theta is called opposite sides. Now perpendicular side of angle 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Now remaining one is adjacent side. Sometimes theta at here now theta is at C. Now sometimes theta it will be at A. Then the sides naming of the sides will be changed with respect to theta. This I told perpendicular side of theta is called opposite side. Perpendicular side of 90 degrees is called hypotenuse, and the remaining side is adjacent side. We know very well opposite side simply we can say that in the chapter OS. Adjacent side we can say that simply we can say that AS. Hypotenuse in the chapter simply we can notate it by we can denote it by H. Okay, viewers. Now naming the sides of a right angle triangle is completed with respect to theta. Right. Now theta here theta is having only two places at A and at C only because it is already 90 degree. So complement of these two is nothing but one more 90. So in a triangle, sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. You must be keep in your mind. For naming the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to theta only, we have to define. Already we have defined it. Now, very important concept is trigonometric ratios with the help of right angle triangle. Before going to write the trigonometric ratios, I have to tell you a simple logic word you should remember. The simple logic word is called Osha Chota. Osha Chota. We know Chota being so many funny children channels are getting in the TV. From that Chota being like that word you can use here. Osha Chota. Osha Chota. Then we can write simply trigonometric ratios. It's very easily. Right. See the diagram. Everybody, don't confuse it. There is no issue here. Right. I am putting theta here. I am taking the theta here. Dear viewers, this is A, this is B, this is C. Quite opposite of theta, we know very well opposite side. Quite a perpendicular side of 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Next, then the remaining one is called adjacent side. How many trigonometric ratios are there? Generally, we know main three trigonometric ratios are there, which are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now, sin, cos, tan, these three theta ratios are having its reciprocals. Sin reciprocal is cosec theta, cos reciprocal is sec theta, tan reciprocal is cot theta. So, how to find sin, cos, tan? By using the right angle triangle, I will tell you. See, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. These are the shorted notation of sin tangent theta, cos tangent theta, tangent theta. We have to write simply sin, cos, tan. How to get sin theta from the right angle triangle? Simple. You follow this technique. What is this? Osha Chota. What is the middle value? S. S for sine. O by H. O by H. O by H. Sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. O by H means children opposite side by hypotenuse. We can say right very easily from the diagram AB equals to AC. Completed sin theta. Next cos theta. Yes, come to the point. Cos theta. C stands for cos theta children. Now you see this here arc cos theta is equals A by H. A by H. A by H. A means adjacent side. H means as you know very well opposite side. From the diagram, we have to say that BC by AC simply we can write. Now final one tan theta. Here where is T? Here T will be there. Where is the arc between O and A? Here arc sine arc between O by H, cos arc between A by H, tan arc between O by A. O by A. O is nothing but simply we can say that opposite side. Now A is nothing but simply we can say that adjacent side. From the diagram, AB by BC. This is the way we have to find the values of trigonometric ratios of sine, cos, tan. Simply, if you keep this word in your mind, you can derive these three in your fingertips without any tension. Yeah, once again, you see, Osha Chota will give to you three trigonometric ratios and as well as we have to find its reciprocal. Just now, I told you clearly here, everyone's here, sine reciprocal is cosec theta, cos reciprocal is secant theta means sec theta, tan reciprocal is cot theta. Yes, dear students, sin theta is nothing but 1 by cosec theta. This is called if and only if condition. Sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. If and only if condition. Now, cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta. Now, secant theta equals to, this is called if and only if condition. If and only if condition. Next, similarly, tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. As well as cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Sin, cos, tan, main three trigonometric ratios. These three are having remain more three its reciprocals. So cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. That is nothing but O by H reciprocal value is H by O means opposite side by hypotenuse by opposite side. Sec theta reciprocal of cos theta means 1 by cos theta. Now cos theta values are here A by H. Its reciprocal is H by A means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now cot theta equals reciprocal of tan theta 1 by tan theta. That value is O by A reciprocal is A by A. The complete value of A by O is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now viewers, we can say sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. Cos theta equals adjacent side by hypotenuse. Reciprocal secant theta equals hypotenuse by adjacent side. Tan theta equals opposite side by adjacent side. Now cot theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. If we know Osha Chota, these three values are very easy better. According to these three, remaining three, we should derive very easily. This is the way we have to find the two things we have to learn today. Once we have to recall, we have to recap it. What is that? What is trigonometry? Simple. Trigonometry can be derived from three Greek words, which are trio, gonia, metra. The meaning of trio, three. Gonia means angle. Metron means measurement. Simply we can say that trigonometry is nothing but three angle measurement. We can say that three angle measurement is called trigonometry. Now the father of trigonometry is called Hipparchus. is an ancient famous Greek mathematician. He was developed this topic. Thus, the trigonometry is the main branch in mathematics that deals the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Right? Now, let us take one acute angle, take one point on OA, draw a perpendicular line on OB, then we should get right angle triangle. With the base is OQ, altitude is PQ, and hypotenuse is OP. Children, now, dear students, naming the sides of a right angle triangle is completed. Now, trigonometric ratios you have to find with the help of right angle triangle. Just you know this word. Just you know this word. These three trigonometric ratios we have to derive very easily. S means sine, O by H. Sine theta equals to O by H, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equals A by H, A by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Similarly, tan theta equals O by A, O by A, opposite side by adjacent side. If the reciprocal will be cosecant, secant, cot. This is the today class. Next class we are going to discuss complementary angles and with respect to the some specific angles. I have to explain with easiest method. Now please subscribe my channel. My academy is SS Academy. I hope you, I assure it, maybe understand this topic. Next class we have to discuss with such a more good topic. Right, Sheila?